Ever pour hours into a video and hear nothing but crickets? You're not alone. Creating content without feedback feels like shouting into the void, or worse, guessing what your audience wants in the dark. But there's a better way. Polls, not just for fun. Polls are to your audience's brain. You ask, they answer, you win. Want to know what topic excites them? Which style they prefer? What gets them to click? Ask the right questions, keep it fun. Go beyond yes or no. Use open-ended polls, add visuals, make it interactive. Then, dive into the data. Look for patterns, spot trends, find the hidden gems your audience is practically begging for. Now you're not creating in a vacuum, you're crafting content with precision, with purpose. And guess what? Your audience sees it, they feel heard, they engage more, they come back. Polls aren't just a tool, they're a bridge. From silence to conversation, from guessing to knowing. Stop flying blind, start using polls, and create content that actually hits.